Hi there. In this video, you're going to learn about direct variation. So direct variation is just a relationship where the ratio y to x is constant, m. We say that y varies directly with x. So here's an example, y to x equals m or y equals mx. So you'll see this often, and here's another example, y equals 2x. In other words, the ratio y over x, it shows a constant variation. So constant of variation is the same thing as slope, constant rate of change, and constant of proportionality. In a direct variation, the constant rate of change is assigned a variable, m in this case. So the height of the water in a pool as it's being filled is shown in the graph. Determine the rate in inches per minute. So here it fills up 2 inches in 5 minutes. Here is 4 inches in 10 minutes. Here is 6 inches in 15 minutes, and here is 8 inches in 20 minutes. So let's make our ratios. Height to time, it would be 2 inches, 5 minutes. Here would be 4 inches in 10 minutes, or you can actually divide them through to get your decimals. Here would be 6 to 15, and here for the last one would be 8 to 20 or 0.4. So are all of these equal? Yes. So that means that the pool fills at a rate of 0.4 inches every minute. So the equation y equals 10x represents the amount of money Julio earns for X hours of work. That's Julio, sorry. Identify the constant of proportionality. Explain what it represents in the situation. So you have y equals 10x. So why don't we go through, why don't we look back at our we'll look back at this slide. So y equals 2x is an example here. Y equals mx. Here I have y equals 10x. So 10, if you think about it, would be in the same place as where the m is. So the m is what our constant of proportionality is right here. So in this situation, the constant of proportionality is $10. So Julio earns $10 for every hour that he works. How to determine direct variation. So pizzas cost $8 each plus a $3 delivery charge. Show the cost of 1, 2, 3, and 4 pizzas. Is there a direct variation? So here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 pizzas and the cost. So if it costs $8 plus a $3 delivery charge, right, your first pizza would be $11. So $8 per pizza, right? So 8 times 2 would be 16 plus a $3 delivery charge. So your total will be 19. Okay, $8 for each pizza, plus 3 would be 24. It would be 8 times 3, which is 24, plus 3, you get 27. And then here for 4 pizzas, 8 times 4 is 32, plus a $3 delivery, it would be 35. Now let's make our ratios. Here I have 1/11th, here I have 2/19ths, 3/27ths, and 4/35ths. Are all these ratios the same? No, they aren't. So there is no constant ratio and the line does not go through the origin. So there is no direct variation. Okay, here's the next example. Determine whether the linear relationship is a direct variation. If so, state the constant of proportionality. So here, I don't know why I covered these. Sorry about that. So you're given this chart right here. You're given time, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're given wages, 12, 24. So let's make our ratios. First one would be 12 over 1. Second one would be 24 over 2. Third one would be 36 over 3. And the fourth one would be 48 over 4. Notice here I put the y over x. It's always y over x. Y over the x. Okay, are these ratios the same? Yes, they are. So that means that this relationship is a direct variation. The constant of proportionality would be 12 over 1. Some concluding thoughts. Direct variation, constant rate of change, and constant of proportionality. You're talking about all the same things here. If the ratios are equal, then there is a direct variation. If not, then there is not a direct variation. Okay, I hope you learned about direct variation. Thank you for watching.